Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet. To those who are new and to those who've been subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And to those who watch my videos and then come back for another video and then come back for another one, what are you waiting for? You're already hooked. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so that you can be notified every time I upload a video, and also like my videos and comment down below the section box. I really love to hear what you think about my videos and also what you'd want me to share, which I love reading about and also love commenting about. So moving on to today's video, we're going to be doing another unboxing. Those who've been here for a long time, they know that it is a culture to do an unboxing together in this family. So we're starting off with a business package, which I already know that it's bags because I ordered some orders for people who wanted a certain bag, which I bought already, which I did a video about. So these are bags, definitely. So I'm gonna be answering some of the questions which some of you guys asked me on the comment section, and I felt they needed to be addressed because definitely everyone will be wanting to know how to go about it. The first question was, how do you apply for, it was actually a second question, but I'll make it the first. How do you apply for a refund on Alibaba? So I'll just use my phone and then plug the video by my side. So the first thing you need to do when you are applying for a refund, you need to open your application obviously and go to your messages, and then instead of going to the messages, you go to orders. When you go to orders, you view details of the things which you want to get your refund from, and then you find that there's confirm receipt, request modification, apply for refund, reorder. So if you're not happy with your product, you just apply for a refund. So when you apply for a refund, it will take you to another page. This other page has more details which will want you to fill in why you're not happy about the product, and also you need to upload the evidence. Let's say the product is cheap quality, or there are some things on the product, or whatever will be your complaint. You need to upload evidence of that thing. Please do note that you have to be careful when you are ordering online. Every time, make sure that you are ordering from vendors which are verified by Alibaba, which have a trade assurance with Alibaba, because if they don't have, then it's an issue for you to get your refund back. Remember, some of my videos I did show you what you need to look for in order for you to be safe when you are applying for a refund. You look for the trade assurance and also a verified vendor so that you get your refund back. This makes it easier because Alibaba does hold money before you receive your goods, and they do give a time lapse of how long you should actually make a complaint to them in order for you to get your refund. So make sure that you are buying from a verified and also a trade assured company by Alibaba. So yeah, I think I've answered that. And then so let's just see the bag. This is the unboxing. I didn't open, guys. Only that sometimes they do open that side. just to check what's inside. But then you know this bag. You definitely know this bag. I'll just show you one. And these are, I think, the people's orders. And this is a lovely bag, guys. I really love it. I think I did show you last time, but I didn't go into detail because all of the bags were clients and I only had a few. This is the bag. And it has a big strap, a longer a longer strap which you can put. Guys, this bag, a laptop fits in here. A laptop fits, a small laptop obviously, and it's a strong bag and it has just beautiful material, which, and very spacious. Beautiful material, very spacious, as you can see. So they're in different colors, and this is what I got. They're in different colors. So that's it which I got. And then there's this package. This package is just my son's clothes. I bought this clothes, not that I don't buy in Zimbabwe. I do buy and support other small businesses, but sometimes I do want unique stuff for my son, which not everyone has. You know, we are all like that. I think we're all like that. I think most people don't like popular common things. So yeah, so I decided to just buy him some stuff for winter. I think I bought like 7 pieces. So I will just unbox with you guys. So moving on to the next question. Next question was about how do you bargain? How do you bargain with a vendor? So bargaining with a vendor, obviously when you open and you see the product which you want, you send them a picture and a message of on your chat, obviously on the chat section, you send them, you inbox them, you send them that you are interested in this product, and you also ask for videos and pictures of that product. If you can always even call them for them to show you the product and to show you their what is this, their factory where they are manufacturing their stuff, especially when you want to make big orders. So when you do this and they show you, they do everything, and you agree on the numbers of the product you want, then you ask them, can you just lower down your price? I always do this even when I'm buying small, like these bags. I think I did ask for a discount. I did bargain. Even they do give you a discount, and that discount counts because when you're buying, the bank obviously gets some money, like you obviously they charge you, isn't? So even if it's a small discount, it actually counts because it can cater for your bank charges. So I always make sure that I ask for a discount, even though the discounts always cater for the bank charges. It's always good, it's always better because I'm not really going to pay any bank charges. So that's the way you're going to do. I think that's the only way you can bargain. Yeah, you can bargain your way out. You can actually bargain to, I think the highest I've bargained, yeah, it's money for bank charges. But I feel that as your order grows bigger, you can actually get bigger discounts as well. You can get bigger discounts. So moving on to this one. Ooh, I love the packaging. I love the way they did the packaging. The packaging is nice. I'm so excited about this because I've been waiting for these pieces for a very long time. And I'm hoping they are the quality which I want. You know, kids, they react to bad quality clothes. They need cotton. Okay, let's get on with it. So the first piece is this. Well, I like the packaging. They did package nicely. Well, it's not written what type of material is, but then it is soft and warm. It's soft and warm. That's the top. Ooh. And these are the bottoms. I'll insert a picture for you guys to see. I like that it's unique. You know, you don't just see it everywhere. This here is dinosaur thing. It's quite cute. And at the back, it also has a dinosaur. So this was 2 kg. And at the back, it also has a dinosaur. So this was 2 kgs. So yeah, I like the material because that's the first thing you should like look into, because babies react, and the material is quite good. It's soft. I don't know how it will look like if I wash it, but then it's really nice. I like it. For the price, it was good. The only problem is bringing this thing back at home. I also bought a blue one. I bought 2 of these. I wanted him to have yeah, different colors of the same set. I'll also just insert this color and you get to see. It's like blue. And then moving on to the next. The next outfit. They're really so cute. They're packaged nicely. I like the packaging. They're really packaged nicely. I like that these things are not... Ooh, I love this. This is quite cute, guys. This is a very cute. Ooh, even the material, guys. This I love. This I love. It's written small. I made sure I was buying 1 to 2 years, but I don't know. Yeah, should be a 1 to 2 years. I really love this as well. I think I bought 2 of this. I bought this color. I bought gray. Washer really does look good in gray. And also I bought a red. I got a red. I'll insert a picture as well. So I was just buying 2 two of each of the things. Oh, this looks nice. Look at the packaging. These things were meant for his birthday, by the way, but then they came late. They were supposed to come on the 20th of June, and today is the 6th of July. Well, maybe it's because I ordered them late, and also then I had complications with my shipping agent had complications because she had a lot of orders. Ooh, this is good material, guys. Ooh, I love the material. It's quite light. It's not something which you won't wear even after winter. They're not very heavy. I made sure that I wasn't buying too heavy things. I think it's gonna just wear with tights inside if it's very cold. Ooh, but this looks big, but very nice. It's very nice and light. And also this I bought another color which is blue. So in every I don't know why I was doing this. In all of his sets I was buying 2 different colors. So I was buying 2 different colors. I think because I just thought it was going to be good. I don't know why, but then yeah, I'm thinking I should have just bought different things, but then it's so fine. And then the last one, which I didn't buy, I only bought one and I didn't buy any other color, is this one. And it's so cute. It's cute and light. It's so light. I'll insert a picture of this one. There's cute little pockets. Comes in with this. And the shirt inside. These are so super cute. I like this outfit, the last one. I really love it. It's really cute. It's so cute. That's it. These are just personal clothes for my son, which I wanted for him. I think the quality is not bad. I am in love with most of them. All of them. They are super cute. They're super cute. They are amazingly cute. I love them. So that's it from me, guys. If you have any other questions which I failed to answer, please do comment down below and ask more of them, or inbox me. I am available for you guys to use this opportunity. So we've reached the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe, and invite your friends, invite your family to come and support, and also get information on how they can be their own boss. Cheers. Bye.